Hello, hello, hello.
Hi, did you hear? Did you hear about this challenge for the month of July? Oh, you gotta come check it out. Today is day one of the very first video. So keep watching. Every day this month, a new video will be coming out. Bye for now.
Today's short video is about jalapeno and bell peppers. Whether you're a fan of spicy food or prefer a milder taste, both peppers can be easily grown in your own home garden. Peppers are warm climate plants that love plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil that's enriched with organic matter. To plant, start seeds indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date or purchase young plants from your local nursery. Transplant them outdoors after the threat of frost has passed, spacing them about 18 to 24 inches apart. Water regularly, but avoid waterlogging the soil. And if all that sounds like too much work, don't worry, we've got your back. These plants are not only easy to grow, they're also very healthy. Peppers are a great source of vitamins A and C, and Galapagos contain capsaicin, which is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. In the kitchen, bell peppers offer a sweet and crunchy flavor that's perfect for salads, stir-fries, or for stuffing. With their versatility, it's easy to see why they're a staple in many kitchens around the world. Galapagos, on the other hand, bring a spicy kick to your meals, salsas, nachos, and even pickles. Looking for a fun appetizer idea? Try this simple recipe. Stuff jalapenos with cream cheese. Wrap them in bacon and bake until crispy. The sweet and spicy flavor combination is sure to be a hit. Whether you're looking to add some heat to your life or just want to enjoy the fresh crunch of a bell pepper in your salad, these plants have something for everyone. So why not give them a try? You may just find that you love them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We'll see you next time. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to join me on my journey. Let your creativity shine.